Hi all, I am A.V. Danish Krishna of class 12C and today I am standing before you to talk some few words about Earth Day, which is coming on this 22nd April. It is our responsibility to protect our Mother Earth. So this year we are celebrating the 51st World Earth Day.
Earth Day is an annual event on April 22nd to demonstrate support for environmental protection. First held on April 22nd, 1970, it now includes a wide range of events coordinated globally by Earth Day organization. The first Earth Day was focused on the United States. In 1990, Dennis Hayes, the original national coordinator in 1970, took it international and organized events in 141 nations. On Earth Day 2016, the landmark Paris Agreement was signed by the United States, China, and some 120 other countries. This signing satisfied a key requirement for the entry into force of the historic draft Climate Protection Treaty adopted by consensus of the 195 nations present at the 2015 United Nations Climate Change Conference in Paris. Numerous communities engaged in Earth Day week actions and entire week of activities focused on the environmental issues that the world faces. Environmental protection is the practice of protecting the natural environment by individuals, organizations, and governments. Its objectives are to conserve natural resources and the existing natural environment and, where possible, to repair damage and reverse trends. Due to the pressures of overconsumption, population growth, and technology, the biophysical environment is being degraded, sometimes permanently. This has been recognized and governments have begun placing restraints on activities that cause environmental degradation. Since the 1960s, environmental movements have created more awareness of the multiple environmental problems. There is disagreement on the extent of the environmental impact of human activity, so protection measures are occasionally debated. Reduce, reuse, and recycle. Cut down on what you throw away. Follow the 3 R's to conserve natural resources and landfill space. Volunteer. Volunteer for cleanups in our community. We can get involved in protecting our watershed too. Educate. We can help others understand the importance and value of our natural resources. Simple tips for helping the planet this Earth Day. As we said, the holiday, which started in 1970, is celebrated on April 22nd. Here are a few simple things you can do to celebrate. Drive your car as seldom as possible. Instead, use public transportation or ride a bike. Store your meals in reusable containers and avoid putting them in plastic or paper bags. Same goes for the grocery store. In fact, it is best to not use plastic bags at all. When cleaning up your house, recycle as much as you can. Old electronics can even be recycled instead of thrown in the trash. Using compact fluorescent bulbs to light up your living space will help you save energy. If you have the space, consider planting a tree this Earth Day. Starting a garden containing flowers, vegetables, or both is also a great idea.
It is very important to protect and take care of our Mother Earth. And now, our world is facing a major threat, that is COVID-19 pandemic. We can overcome it by taking precautions such as social distancing, wearing masks, and hand sanitizing. Stay home, stay safe, stay healthy. On this World Earth Day, let's take a new resolution to plant more trees for a green environment. Thank you and have a nice day.